Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be going over my success that I've been finding with Amazon PPC video ads, specifically sponsored brand video ads, and targeting the main keywords that I'm trying to rank for my products. It's not going to be a very long video, so stick around. It's just going to be a couple minutes, but very well might be a video that makes you tens of thousands of dollars, quite literally, because it has for me. And speaking of that, why don't we just really quickly, oh, something's going on out there. Really quickly, I'm just going to throw a screenshot up on the screen. This is when I started running video ads. Okay, so we went from doing about 2K, 3K in ad spend and 12, 15K in sales to just slightly more ad spend, 5 grand, 6 grand in ad spend, to doing over 21K in the ad sales. Okay, this is just the PPC sales themselves. And it took the listing from doing 20K a month to doing over 45K a month. That was 2 summers ago. If we want to go to this past season, my product has like a little bit of a seasonality to it, so I'm showing the effective part of the season. Right now we're really just starting to move into it. It's more of a kind of spring through fall type deal. And so if we go and look at last year, I really start cranking my video ads. We go and do 25, 26K in sales just with the ads alone, with only 5K in spend. Okay, so we're getting great return on our ad spend, really running highly profitable ads doing this, and it's super simple. Okay, so all you're going to be doing is focusing on 3 structures. The main one, 3, I don't even know. Sometimes I just put up fingers and say there's 3 things. Let me just talk you through it. And so what you want to do is figure out what the main keyword you're trying to rank your product for is. That's the most highly relevant with the most searches. And for me, that's a 4-word phrase. Okay, so I have this 4-word phrase. I'm going to go into Campaign Manager. I'm going to go Sponsored Brand Videos. You do have to have a brand registered, of course, to do this. And then I'm going to target. Let's just ignore the noise. I don't know if you can hear that. There's something going outside my apartment. Let's say it was this wooden disc for cups. Okay, cool. It's a coaster. Wooden coaster for cups. Natural wooden coaster for cups, something like that. Enter that in as your target. Okay, we're doing sponsored brand, $50 a day, and you're going to do page visits, so drive page visits, and select your product. Okay, I'm not going to go through all this. I got to go blur it and everything. You can do this yourself. And then the video element is the most important. So what's the video that you're running? And so I've spent the last 6 years here making content on YouTube, and video is not something that's new to me. So I just shot the video myself. I did the first round of my own brand videos. I just filmed with my iPhone. Okay, nothing special. You don't need anything beyond what you already have. Everyone watching this, whatever you're watching it on, you probably use that. And there was a few things that I did. So I went through, at this point I'm already selling my product. So I went through everything that I know that my value propositions are based on all of the R&D we did, based on all the customer research we did. So I know that people want certain things about this. Like, let's say that this was something that was new. People were just doing wooden discs, but we actually included the bark on it, okay? And then let's say that, a lot of them were chipping or breaking. Well, we've, heat cured ours, and we've sealed it with a resin that prevents that from happening. And so I would bring all of those things up knowing damn well what the customer already wants and kind of work that into the video in a natural way. And so you can do that faceless, but the new strategy that I want to share with you that I'm really excited about is doing it more of like a talking head style video, just like this, but with your product. And so maybe you work this out a few times, see if you can get it to seem kind of natural. But have you ever been on Amazon, and this is more of a recent thing, and realized that, hey, there's like videos starting to pop up of influencers kind of reviewing products and stuff. And just recently, I've started to see big brands running paid ads that look just like that on Amazon, and how efficient they are, and how real it is, and how much it relates back to what people are doing on their phone already. So again, they were just on Instagram, they're just on TikTok, they're watching a certain kind of content, they were just on YouTube, and they go to Amazon, and for some reason, now the video ads are all corporate. Like, they just are like highlighting the thing, there's words on the screen. That's all fine, but let's bring some personality to it. And so anyone with a phone or a laptop or a webcam can sit down with their product, make a talking head video, about the value props of their product. Look at a few other brands that have made videos like this. What are those UGC videos? What kind of vibe do they have? What are some of the opening lines? And I just did this for my product yesterday, and I just uploaded the campaigns. I'll go over a little bit of what we're running them for and how we're running them. But it was a 1-minute video of me going, hey, and here, brand owner of this brand, just want to talk to you about this product. I know I'm not the only one who uses these wooden coasters, and I was kind of sick of all the other ones I had ordered or was trying to use. It kept breaking, and so now I'm going to recite some of the customers' problems that they've already kind of come to know about the market, and highlight how, we worked with a really cool domestic supplier right here, made in the USA. You don't need to get wood from China. Okay, you can get this made here. So we did it here. I might have some personality and talk about something like that. Again, bring up that we're a made in the USA brand, and maybe even handle some objections. So this is a good time to be like, if you have a more premium product in your market, you could even be like, hey, and you know what, we can't compete with some of the big name brands out there, or some of the brands that are shipping things in from overseas. It's just not our gig. But if you do want a higher quality version of this product and don't mind supporting a local business, then this, I think you would like this one. Okay, so you see how you can copy everything I just said there, insert your product here, your value prop here, your a little bit of like NLP going on of customer may already not want it because of this, and so you drive headfirst into that. Okay, so a couple different kinds of ways you can make these videos, right? You do the talking head just with your product. I like to use a little app called Captions, and what that does is it throws, we've all seen on social media a million times, you watch shorts, you watch reels, TikToks, whatever, the words pop up on the screen as people are saying them. This is really important because Amazon plays the video muted, so don't think they're going to hear your audio. And so when you're doing that, keep that in mind. You want to use this as a chance to hook them in the first 2 seconds. So whatever the first line you say should be the most well scripted, because it's got to get them to stop. Over the course of the video, tell them a story about how and why they should buy this product. And then of course, the product is the offer. So at the end of the video, make a call to action to click on this, or to recommend buying this one, or to check out our reviews. Go give them some incentive to click on the video that they're watching right now, because it is an ad, and we want to get that click-through rate higher. And then if our listing, our creative there does a good job, which we'll be able to see if it's not converting, it's probably that, we can work on that too. We can always update those things. That's one style of video. The next one would be to do like head-to-head comparison style. And that's what the video that did the 5x ROAS, 25K, like 5K in ad spend. That video, one product by the way, was not a talking head. That was faceless, and it was me showing in a really cool, every 1 second, every 2 seconds, there was a cut, meaning new frame. It's about a 30-second video of my product in that fashion, where it slid into the frame. I opened the packaging, instantly start using the product in like a space that was relevant to my product, and then there's words on the screen for each of those scenes essentially, and then I introduce a competitor's product, and it has to be generic. I can't call them out directly legally, right? But I introduce a non-packaged generic different product, and show how much, literally just show how much better ours is at doing the thing the customer is going to be using the product for. Okay, so if you ever have any questions about this, by the way, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. And then as far as how we're targeting that, exact match on the 2 targets you want to rank for, because there's usually not 20. There's usually 2 5 keyword phrases that really, if you won for, really if you made a big push for, would change your Amazon business. And so that's what we're doing. I've got that my top 2 keywords by search volume and relevancy exact matched with these video ads. And then what I've done is I've created a broad mod campaign to capture everything else. So just exact for the ones I care about, and everything else can get done by broad mod. If you don't know what broad mod is, it means take the 2 words that you have to use to create all the other phrases that are most important to your product or so, and put a plus sign in front of them, and do it as the only target in a campaign with broad match type. And what that's going to do is it's going to essentially give you broad bidding. It's It's going to give you broad reach, but it's going to target it a little bit more like phrase. Okay, and so those have consistently been some of my highest performing in sales, lowest ACoS campaigns. And when you pair them up with a video ad, when you pair them up with a real person selling a product, especially when we're just like inundated with Chinese sellers on Amazon doing private label stuff, that doesn't really apply to me in my market. It's much more of a local kind of style market, but most sellers out there, if that's you, hey, bring the fact that you're a U.S. citizen and you're like care about this product, and you spend all this time making a differentiation to your product. Use that to your benefit. Okay, so get out there. As long as you're not like, this isn't the most horrifying thing ever to make a little video and run some ads on it. You could do it. You don't need to hire a model. You can do it. Again, you can watch the videos that other ads that brands have made and just copy them. Just like use your product, but with everything they're saying and everything your customer cares about. So yeah, that's today's video. I said it was going to be short. It's actually not that short, but yeah, thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. But this is something that's really like I'm focused on right now. I think there's a huge advantage out there. Everyone wants to talk about external traffic or growing a social media account, all these kind of trendy, cool things that brand owners can do. But it's just like, if you're selling on Amazon, hey, guess what? There's tens of thousands of customers looking for your product. Like, have you captured all their attention? Why don't we just start right there? And so maybe what this becomes and how I'm approaching it now is I'm going to have 10 video variations running, and I'm going to be playing around and split testing how these videos perform. It's like PPC. We have to stop thinking about it as one thing. It's just like, okay, it's done. Now our PPC is done for the year. Let's run it and see how it does. No, maybe every month we're introducing new video. Maybe you're making new videos for date-specific sale ranges. Hey, it's Independence Day. You're thinking about buying this product. This one I'd be buying because we're doing our barbecue this next weekend, and like you can literally. How long does it take? It takes me 2, 4, 5 minutes to film a little brand video, throw it in my captions app. It makes it nice and interactive. I throw it into my editor and upload it to Amazon. Boom, right? I've got a new brand video ad that I can put in front of customers who want to buy this product that's specific to the month that they're purchasing it in. So yeah, really cool stuff. But anyway, thanks so much for being here. Be sure to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.